Hi there, it's Alex and I'm out in the Peak District and I'm looking for some plug holes. Let's face it, if I'm out and about in the Peak District and I'm looking for plug holes, there's only one place I could be, and we all know where that is. Ladybower Reservoir. There they are. The plug hole of Ladybower Reservoir. They're just like a plug hole, aren't they? I believe it takes the overflow of the reservoir out and stops it flooding. I don't know what I'm going to do to photograph it, but I'm certainly going to have a go. And anyway, it's just great to be out and about again. It's been a while and I'm glad to be here. I'm going to go for a little wander around the dam down to the bridge anyway. It's a couple of miles there and back to the car. So I'm here and I'll have a wander, see what we can see. Bit of light coming through on top now. That's where it runs out at the bottom there. So Ladybower Reservoir, they started building it in 1938 and finished it in 1945 from what I understand, and it was made to supply the city of Sheffield with water. I don't know if it still meets all their demands, probably not, but you know, it's a wonderful feat of engineering. There's some lovely iron work around the place as well. It's also a haven for fly fishermen. It has a healthy stock of rainbow trout and brown trout if you want to come along with your rod and hire a boat. There are plenty of car parks around it. There's a visitor centre which I'm hoping to visit later on, and if you get here early enough there is free parking alongside the road. There is at the other side of the dam wall another plug hole. It's a bit more secluded and a bit quieter spot, no road behind it, and we'll get a little image of it, I think. I hope you're all okay at the moment. Sorry if there's a bit of a wind noise, but I forgot to bring my mic like you do. It's still a beautiful place to be out in though, whether you're photographing or just having a walk. There are loads of these little impromptu waterfalls at the side of the reservoir. which I'm sure helped feed it. Paths around here are great. You can bring a pram, maybe even a wheelchair. There's a few little inclines. It's mainly flat, easy to walk. I think it's about 6 miles all the way around. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice little waterfall. Just been having a wander around the side of LADYBOWER. I've seen the circular route I've taken isn't a circular route. Apparently there's no footpath on the A57, which is a bit busy. So I've decided to do a U-turn and go back to the dam wall and see if the light's any better. At least now we're into spring, there's plenty of new buddage out, starting to look good. Get away from the drabness of winter, and it has been a drab old winter on it. It's not necessarily been cold, but it's been grey and it's been wet and it's been really annoying. Days I've planned to go out, the weather's been shocking. You know, what can you do? You gotta do what you can do. For me, Peak District's most accessible, wildish place with interesting scenery from our house near Wakefield. It's about an hour, hour and a half to get here, and you know, there's some gorgeous scenery. It's not Lake District or Scotland or Wales, but it's best you can do when you're a working guy or gal. Just get out where you can, take a picture, load it up, stick it on Instagram, stick it on Facebook. You know, if you enjoy that sort of thing, it's just great, and I feel cheered up by being out here now. You know, should do it more often. Like I say, I'm aiming to get one of these out every week. Let's build up that audience. Let's do something. An old gimmer with a camera, a fat old gimmer with a camera. I do love it when you've done quite a long segment to camera and then you realise you've not been recording it. Anyway, it's been a blast. I'm glad I've been out. It's been good. I've got some images, I'll put them up at the end. Like I say, please like, please subscribe. Let's get some movement on this channel for a fat old gimmer with a camera. It's been a blast. I'm off to find LADYBOWER Visitor Centre and sample one of their coffees and a nice cake, which I know cake's not very diet, but you know, it's one step at a time. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're all well, and I'll see you in the next one.